So this is our setup. We are the energy monitor. So we've been having problems from the get-go, and one of the first and foremost of those problems is a source to calibrate our things on. And what we came up with is this hair dryer right here. Because we can only measure so much on the multimeter, it only goes up to like 10 amps, and this hair dryer at its maximum can do 15 amps. We found a happy, let's say, medium at the medium input of it, and it gives us like 7 amps. To get it better, we'd probably have to have a 60 amp source, which I really don't see us getting, and I don't think we have anything that can measure 60 amps in the first place. So it starts right here at the plug-in. That's what we're getting our voltage from, and it's going in, the voltage is going into this transformer right here, the 277 to 120, and this into this. This is 120 to supposedly 12, but we had trouble with it and got only 8.3 times the transformer windings, and the current from the hairdryer is going into this current transformer, which they're both going into this circuit, which is the old circuit because we haven't really gotten anything in from our op amp to our Arduino, and we're using this Arduino right now, and it doesn't have Wi-Fi, so we can't really work on the Wi-Fi right now, and this is our code that's our Arduino is using.
Here's a video of us testing our design. As you can see, the current measured by the multimeter does not match that calculated by the Arduino. We need to calibrate our design still, but we feel that there is additional error still present in the code that is unrelated to calibration issues. At this point, we plan to schedule a meeting with Dr. Kinnair to discuss possible issues with our code. Also, we need to develop the HTML code to translate our measured values to the user interface for Kubota. In addition to these coding issues, there may be error in the signal processing circuits. The values for the voltage dividers were not exact due to the high tolerance of the resistors used. Perhaps resistors with closer to matching values would produce better results.
Lastly, we've been working on our HTML webpage to show our collecting power usage data with a graph and a table. So our client can monitor the data through the HTML webpage in real time. This is going to be our webpage, and the graph and the data are showing is an example. Right-hand side of picture represents our HTML webpage coding, and we are in process to more research for coding how to send data from Arduino Wi-Fi to HTML webpage.